zkSync Airdrop checker. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's check the airdrop eligibility of our zkSync Airdrop. For this, I will provide the link in the description. You can just simply open it up, or you can also open it up by going onto the zkSync's official page and click on this option of claim.zknation.io, and it will take you over here. Now here you can connect your MetaMask wallet, and you can also paste your address, MetaMask address or the GitHub username over here, and click on check in order to check your eligibility. So this is how you will be able to check the eligibility for zkSync Airdrop. But most of the people out there are calling it a scam, and they have not got this airdrop even after performing all the different tasks. And if we look at the total supply of zkSync tokens, we are getting around 17.5% in the airdrops, and most of these airdrops are given to the influencers as usual. And you can also check out the criteria for giving this particular airdrop when you scroll down a little bit on this particular document, and you can check out over here that you got different points for performing these different tasks. And also the snapshot date was March 24, 2024. And you can check out whether you completed all different tasks or not, and also you can call it a scam if your wallet is also not eligible for it. Well, subscribe to our channel for more crypto info, and see you in the next video.